When D range is selected, the manual valve directs fluid at line pressure to the front clutch, which remains applied in all forward gears. Fluid is also directed to the governor and the 1-2 shift valve, where it is blocked at a differential area. A separate circuit from the manual valve directs line pressure to a differential area of the 2-3 shift valve. This is held in the downshifted or 2 position by a combination of the differential force and the spring force. The 1-2 shift valve is in 2 sections. The shift valve itself is the lower section, held in its downmost position by a combination of the differential force and the upper section plunger and spring. As soon as the accelerator is depressed, throttle pressure helps hold the valves in the downshifted position so that their movement is influenced by accelerator position. When the vehicle is moving, the governor re-regulates line pressure supplied to it and directs this pressure to the large land areas at the bottom end of the shift valves, to the servo orifice control valve, and to the modulator valve.